Welcome to InfoComm. My name is Rocco and I'm with Plus Corporation. I'm the head of technical support. And today we're showing our brand new N-32 series copyboards. What's special about this board is that not only is it networkable, but now we can send saved information directly to your company's email. And we can also use your company's ID cards. If it's a NFC type A or Felica card, it stores the ID information. We can store up to 5,000 email addresses. All you have to do is put your card right on the thing and it'll start the save function. This board then can save information in either PNG, JPEG, or PDF file. Once it's captured the information, it'll create the PDF file, send it off to your email. It is compatible with Exchange versions from 2007 and above, Office 365, Gmail, iCloud, Mail. And again, this is our very latest version. You can see more information about this at www.plus-america.com.